to another Saturday recipe. This is one of those quick dishes with really simple ingredients. So I'm gonna start off by adding noodles to boiling salted water. The noodles should come out perfect after about 8 to 10 minutes. To hot oil goes some garlic cloves. After the oil comes to a sizzle, we are adding a sliced onion. Once it becomes translucent, add chopped chilies, sliced cabbage, carrot, and capsicum. Adding some salt to the veggies. Once they look good and crispy, start adding your sauces. Number 1, soya sauce. Some green chili sauce. Red chili sauce. Some black pepper for flavor. And vinegar. After a slight simmer, drop in your noodles in batches. Give it a toss. Then add the remaining noodles. There you go, delicious Hakka noodles. If you got any comments or questions, pop them below, and if you enjoyed the video, why not hit the subscribe button and the tiny bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching!